What's up, YouTube? It's K back at it with another video. Um, it looks a lot different, don't it? Oh yeah, finally got the house wrap. I got the metal roof. I got the fascias, the trim, not trim, but like trim for the metal roof. Yeah, it's a lot harder than it looks. You can't really see the roof, but we got black. That was definitely tricky. It's definitely tricky. I haven't completed the roof. I still have the ridge cap and more trim to do. You can kind of see from this side. This side is good because this is the first side that I did. So I was able to really able to walk back and forth. But on the other side, oh my God, this metal is so slippery. I can't even explain it. We had a really bad windstorm and that happened. Yep. All my hard-earned money is spread out all over. As you can see, I just tacked it, maybe put 1 or 2 screws in each panel because it's so slippery with these new panels. Like, I've done metal roofing before and I was able to walk on top of it. But these one, I guess since it's so brand new, it was nearly impossible to literally stand. Like, as soon as I take one step, I'm sliding down. But yep, all of those on this side pretty much came off. I'm gonna walk back a little bit just so y'all can see. But guess those are the last 2 standing. But I ended up getting black, not corrugated, but black panels. There go Nyla. She want to tell y'all hi. Bella's over there. Yeah, it's just beyond challenging. And if I say I can't do it, I can't do it. So I'm probably going to end up having a few of my buddies come by and help me finish that on up because it's just too much for me right now. The metal's still good, so it is what it is. It's probably got nice scratches and dents, but it'll probably still keep the water out. Also, look, I picked this up from Marketplace. I think it's at least 250 gallons. Water tank. I'm gonna use this for my septic. I've seen a lot of people use like 55 gallon plastic drums, but I feel like this is plenty for what I'm trying to accomplish. Yeah, and believe it or not, this only cost me like 50-60 bucks off of Marketplace, and now I have a septic. We only have 1 bathroom, 1 sink, kitchen sink, and another sink in the bathroom, so it shouldn't be much. And I don't know if you could probably still see. Well, nah, the spray paint done rubbed off. But basically, I was gonna try to dig a nice hole somewhere right here and attach the drain field right where the end of that. I kind of use this jig as a template for where the septic is gonna go. But you can kind of see the gray line like right there. That's where I plan on putting like a drain field, and 2 on this side, 2 on that side. But yeah, guys, it's coming along. I can't wait till y'all see the progress in another week or 2. If y'all want to see me actually like build like a time lapse or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. I have plenty of GoPros that I could strap to my head. I just don't be thinking about it at the moment, when you're working. But what you guys think? Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, man. I'm just a guy building something. Thank y'all for all the views and likes. I've been noticing like my subscribers went up by 10, 12 in like less than a week. So I'm doing something. Y'all want to tell them bye? I'm about to end the video. She's a little jealous. This Nala and this Belly. Well, stay tuned. More progress on the tiny house.